Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes. I like to walk here in the morning.
Oh, me too. Morning walks are relaxing.
Yes, they help me start my day well.
By the way, my name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you too, Mark.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I live nearby. And you?
I live about 10 minutes away.
That's close. Do you work here in the city?
Yes, I work at a small bookstore.
Oh, that sounds nice. Do you like it?
Yes, I love books. What about you?
I work at a coffee shop.
That's great. I love coffee.
Maybe you can visit my cafe one day.
I'd like that.
So, what do you usually do on weekends?
I usually meet friends or watch movies.
That sounds fun. I like going to the park.
The park is beautiful on weekends.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Wow, that's cool. I can't play any instruments.
Maybe I can teach you someday.
That would be nice.
How long have you lived here?
About 3 years. And you?
I've been here all my life.
That's interesting. You must know the city well.
Yes, I know many good places to visit.
You can show me around sometime.
Sure, I'd be happy to.
Do you speak any other languages?
Just a little Spanish. And you?
I speak a little French.
That's nice.
By the way, do you come to this park every morning?
Not every morning, only on weekends.
I see. Maybe we'll meet here again.
Yes, that would be great.
Well, I should go now.
Okay, have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.